Have you ever stepped inside a friend's place or a family member's house and instantly felt a gentle sense of relief? The atmosphere is light, everything feels orderly, and there's no overwhelming scent, just a pleasant, inviting freshness. It leaves you thinking, why doesn't my own space feel like that? It's rarely about major cleaning or expensive supplies. It's often those tiny, missed everyday routines that turn a regular house into one that radiates cleanliness and serenity. Today, let's explore 8 easy practices together. They're straightforward, easy on your body, and designed for real life, not for perfect housekeeping. Our living spaces are our daily companions, profoundly affecting our mood, health, and energy levels, especially as we age. Keeping things fresh isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with small steps that build up over time. These habits are backed by simple science, how our senses pick up on subtle cues and practical wisdom. By the end, you'll have the tools to make your environment more comfortable and uplifting, one gentle change at a time. Practice 1, greeting areas that welcome you back. The entry point to your residence is the first thing that meets you or any visitor. I'm not talking about the rugs, but the main entrance panel, both inside and out. It's your home's friendly introduction. Is it free of marks, or does it show streaks from hands, scrapes from footwear, or faint dust layers? It's commonly overlooked, but it sets the overall mood. Folks who keep their places immaculate have a routine of tending to these surfaces often. Not a heavy scrub, but a light weekly refresh. Grab a gentle fabric, mix warm water with a dash of mild cleanser, and softly clean the panel. Pay attention to the grip, the securing mechanism, and the lower edges. Extend this to other frequent touch spots like cooling unit fronts and heating appliance controls. A grimy grip can make a neat room feel unkempt, but when these gleam, the entire area feels renewed. It's a quick mind trick that boosts your sense of order. Practice 2, letting nature refresh your indoor breeze. I recall 2 neighbors who both loved cooking. One's home always had a lingering, stuffy aroma, while the others felt open and revitalizing like after a light rain. The key? A simple weekly airing out. No matter the season, dedicate a short period, say 15 minutes, to unlatch windows across your home. This clears out trapped odors and heaviness. Fabrics and soft items like seating pads and floor coverings act as holders for scents from cooking, moisture, or pets. By inviting outdoor flow, perhaps with a gentle air mover, you reset the environment. It's cost-free and effective, making rooms feel more vibrant and pure, and it even improves air quality. Practice 3, tidying a single storage spot to restore calm. Think about pulling open a compartment, maybe in your cooking space, and feeling overwhelmed by the jumble inside. You shut it fast, thinking later. That hidden disorder can quietly build stress. Those with pristine homes counter this with a focused weekly tidy-up of just one spot. Select a single compartment, ledge, or nook. Set a short timer and sort. Remove what's no longer needed, clean the interior, and return only essentials. This approach breaks the cycle of build-up and gives you a small, motivating win. Over weeks, it transforms hidden chaos into reliable order, making your whole place feel more manageable. Practice 4, addressing overlooked contact points for instant brightness. Sometimes a room still doesn't quite sparkle, even after tidying. Surfaces are clear, floors decent, yet a subtle unease lingers. This is often the less obvious areas, handles on storage units, edges of cleaning machines, light controls and door frames that collect faint residue. A quick weekly polish can change that. With a moistened cloth, stroll through high-use zones and gently wipe these touch-heavy spots. Vision science confirms that we detect inconsistencies, so even minor dullness draws attention. When these spots gleam, the room appears elevated overall. Small efforts yield big perceptual shifts. Practice 5. Reviving textured items to banish lingering aromas. Your home's unique fragrance is shaped by absorbed essences in plush elements, seating covers, hanging fabrics, and ground textiles. These capture everything from meal vapors to everyday traces, creating a background scent. To counter this, adopt a gentle weekly refresh. Lightly mist with a safe neutralizer, shake out pads outdoors, or use a soft tool to remove particles from upholstered pieces. Rotating in washing one item like a small mat prevents odor buildup and keeps the air pure. Your senses will appreciate the change, fostering a more harmonious living area. Practice 6. Maintaining your maintenance tools for better results. When did you last inspect your floor sweeper or wiping cloth? Neglecting these can spread residues rather than removing them, leading to persistent issues like odd scents or inefficiency. Monthly, dedicate time to refresh them. Rinse absorbent heads, sanitize wiping items, clear collection bins, and run clarifying cycles with natural agents like diluted acid. Clean implements perform optimally, saving effort and enhancing outcomes. It's a practical lesson in prevention. Caring for your helpers extends their life and your comfort. Practice 7. Viewing your space through visitor eyes. A powerful mental shift is imagining company arriving soon. Not for scrutiny, but envision a dear one visiting. Stroll your areas with their perspective, noting overlooked details, piled items, faint marks, or uneven arrangements. Then make minor adjustments. Clear entry paths, brighten mirrors, align soft items, or ventilate briefly. This reawakens awareness dulled by familiarity. It's not performative, it's self-care, reminding you your environment deserves attention. Apply it periodically for sustained vibrancy. Practice 8. Tackling hidden moisture areas in private spaces. In personal hygiene rooms, a faint off-note can persist despite regular upkeep. This stems from unnoticed spray zones around fixtures, floors, walls, bases, and nearby items collect tiny residues from use. Address it bi-weekly with a simple wipe. Use a safe solution on surrounding surfaces within arm's reach, including undersides. Quick and discreet, it eliminates sources directly. This awareness transforms the area from adequate to truly invigorating. In closing, transforming your surroundings doesn't require grand overhauls. It's through these modest, thoughtful actions that true comfort emerges. These aren't tasks, they're ways to honor your journey, creating an embrace of cleanliness and tranquility. Start small, perhaps with one practice, and notice the gentle evolution in how your space nurtures you. Thank you for joining this exploration.